everyone, let's make a banana split dessert. All right, first off, let me show you what I've got going on over here. I've got a 20-ounce can of the crushed pineapples that I've got in my little colander here, and I'm just kind of letting that drain. You want to make sure that you get the majority of your liquid drained off of your pineapples, because you don't want it to be like super, super runny. You can also take your hand, you know, take a paper towel and just kind of smush it down in there just to release the rest of that juice, because you don't want it to be like super wet. In here, I've got about 1.25 cups of powdered sugar. And then we're gonna add a 8-ounce block of room temperature, very room temperature cream cheese to this. And then you're just going to combine this. So before we go any further, I've cut some fresh strawberries that I got from my local grocery store. I tasted these, they are not like sweet enough for me, so we are going to add just a little bit of sugar to them, probably about a good teaspoon, just to kind of brighten them up, get them a little bit sweeter. And we're going to set this back off to the side there. Now in this mixture here, your cream cheese and your powdered sugar, you're going to add a package of instant pudding, vanilla instant pudding, and 1 cup of milk. Now you're just going to combine that. We're going to set this off to the side. Then you want to spray your pan here, or what you're going to use, with some just a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. And then you're going to need about 2 cups of graham crackers that are crushed. And you're going to add a stick of melted butter in, and you're going to combine all that. You want to make sure that you get all of your graham cracker crumbs nice and moist. And then you just want to take a spoon and press it down. You just add your mixture right on top. That got nice and thick. And you just spread it all over. Once you have it evened out as much as you can, you're going to add some sliced bananas. I'm probably going to use maybe 2, 3, we'll see. You just kind of want them, you know, in a nice little layer. Then you're going to add your pineapple. Then you're going to take a container of Cool Whip, and you're going to go right over top with it. Then you're going to go right over the top of it with some heated hot fudge. Then remember those strawberries? We're going to place those right on top. Now if you wanted to use cherries, you could use that. If you wanted to use some marshmallow fluff, you could use that in one of your layers. Look at that. Now you need to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours before serving. If you want to top it off with a little bit more hot fudge before you serve it, that'd be a great idea. You gotta make this.